You want to go to your Stripe settings by clicking on this gear icon at the top right of the screen. At the Stripe settings, you want to scroll down until you see the product settings option, then tap on the payments option. Select the payment method option just like here. Then scroll down again until you find the MBWay option. After you find it, you may click on the MBWay selection. You may then tap the enable button over here and you are good to go. MBWay is already enabled as your Stripe payment option. This is one of my products with the euro as the currency, and as you can see, MBWay is already a part of my payment method on my checkout page. So if you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.